students. Today we will start our SST revision. Okay. So once again I will tell you which chapters are coming in exam. So all of you take your book with you, pencil box and notebook. So let's see here. Things. Chapter 1, Food for Health. Chapter 5, Types of Families. Chapter 9, Celebration of National Days. Chapter 13, The Earth. And Chapter 15, Means of Communication. So let us start our revision. Chapter 1, Food for Health. Whatever we eat and drink is our food. We need food to stay alive. So now let us read page number 3. We need food to stay alive. It is our basic need. The food we eat performs vital role in our body. It usually said you are what you eat. It means if you eat healthy food, you will become a healthy person. Food helps us grow. It gives us energy to work well. It also helps us fight diseases. We eat variety of foods. Variety means various types of food. They help our body in different ways. So see here, types of food: bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. Bodybuilding food: milk, pulses, eggs, cheese, beans, pulses, eggs, fish and meat help us grow well. These are some bodybuilding foods. It is given in your book and pictures are also given. Next, energy giving food. Food items such as milk, cheese, butter, honey, ghee, rice, nuts are energy giving food. They give us energy to work and play. Third is protective food. Protective food, if we eat daily vegetables, fruits, they help us. They protect us from diseases. And milk is a wholesome food. We should drink milk daily. Now turn the page. Balanced diet. If we eat only same food on daily, it is not good for our health. To keep healthy, we must eat different kinds of food in right quantity. Such a diet called a balanced diet. Water. We should drink clean water every day. And we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Remember students, 6 to 8 glasses of water. It is given in your book. Please underline it. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. And milk. Next point is milk. Milk is a wholesome food. Underline wholesome food. It gives us energy to do work, help us grow in a strong and healthy person. We should drink milk every day. Source of food. Now see source of food. Sources of food. Mainly two types: animals product and plants product. Animals product, think you drink daily. That what is the answer? Milk. Milk product, meat, fish, eggs and milk products also. Plants: pulses, rice, cereals and vegetables, fruits, And different type of rice, wheat, these are cereals. Different type of grains. So next is in your book vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Those person like only meat, fish, egg, they are called non-vegetarian. And those person eat only plants product, but they drink milk also, they are come under the vegetarian. So in simple words, some people do not eat egg, fish and meat, they are called vegetarian. And some people also eat eggs, fish and meat, they are called non-vegetarian. Next is fast food. Do you like fast food? But it is not good for our health. Burger, pizza, samosa, Maggie, chips, these are come under the fast food. But it is not good for our health. It is cause of many types of diseases like diabetes, obesity and so on. Now last point is table manner. Table manner, it means polite behavior. While, see here, sorry, take only required quantity of food in your plate. It means don't waste food. Chew the food well. It is very important point. When you eat something, chew well. Don't swallow it. Start eating when everyone is served. Always say thank you. Always use a napkin to wipe your mouth. So this now our chapter finished. In this chapter we have some difficult words or new words. So please see here. Basic need. Basic need, it means essential. It is given in your book. 5. The words it. Fight diseases. Stop illness. We can say in simple words. Stop illness. Energy. Power. Excessive. Too much. Healthy. Good health. Okay students, now once again underline in your book some important line. So first, we need food to stay alive. Underline is stay alive. Food is our basic need. Underline basic need. It gives us energy, fight diseases, also help us fight diseases. Underline fight diseases, energy, grow, it is all given. So next, bodybuilding food. Underline bodybuilding food. Food items, milk, peas, beans, pulses, eggs, fish and meat. They help us grow well. Underline energy giving food. Food items such as milk, cheese, butter, honey, fish and nuts give us energy. Underline it. Underline with the help of pencil. Protective food. Food items such as milk, underline vegetables and fruit keep us healthy and protect us from diseases. These are protective food. Next, see here. Water in 95%, sorry, milk in water 95%, orange 85%, grapes 97, tomato 95%, watermelon 95%, potato 80%, human body 65%. It is level of water in your different things and in your body. We should drink underline 6 to 8 glasses of water. Milk is a wholesome food. Underline wholesome food. And we make curd, cheese and butter from milk. Underline it. Source of food. There are two main sources of food. Underline it. Plants and animals. First, see plant products, grains, pulses, vegetables, fruit, spices, nut, oil and beverage. Beverage means tea and coffee. From animals we get milk, milk product, honey, eggs, fish and meat. Underline it and learn it. Whatever you underline in your book, please learn it. It is very important. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Do not eat egg, fish and meat are vegetarian, and those also eat egg, fish and meat, they are called non-vegetarian. Fast food like burger, pizza and noodles. Okay, learn table manners. At least 4 table manners you should learn. Turn the page. Exercises. So here I again erase it. So worksheet 1. Worksheet 1. Filling the blanks. Exercise 1. What we eat every day is our enjoyment or food? The answer is food. Filling the blanks. Answer 1. Food. We eat different kinds of pulses, fruits, but without cooking. Without cooking means not cooked. Fruits, because pulses we should cook. Answer is we eat food to live or sleep. Live, obviously live. Filling the blanks, 4 number. Exercise 8. This is. We eat food to protect ourselves from diseases or bad weather. Obviously diseases. Okay. Now see exercise B, that is true, false. Number 1. Food gives us energy. Yes. True. We eat only cooked food. Food, it means food items like pulses, rice, different type of cereals. Yes, obviously cooked. So answer is true. 3. We should drink milk daily. Yes, at least twice a day, because you are small kids. Answer 4. Eating only pizza and ice cream will make us healthy. No, it's cause of so many diseases. So eating only pizza and ice cream, answer is wrong, false. Filling the blanks, 4 number, false. Now see, tick the right option. Exercise C. Tick. 1 number. Which of the following is main bodybuilding food? Here, see, which is the main bodybuilding food? The answer is pulses. 1 number answer is pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. 2 number. What is the percentage of water in human body? Just think. See here, 65%. Answer is 65%. Number 3. Which of the following are eaten uncooked, without cooking? Cereals? No. Fruits? Yes. Pulses also no. So answer is fruits. So question answer already given. So please learn question answer from your notebook, and learn book exercise also, whatever underline in your books, that also learn it. Okay. So note down your homework. Learn lesson 1, all exercises from book, and please learn underline the words also and read full chapter. Okay students, now take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.